What's up guys, I'm going to be walking you through how to use the SimpleBooth Classic. First things first, you got to connect to some Wi-Fi, so find the nearest Wi-Fi. If not, you can use a hotspot. Next, open up the app and we're going to go select a gallery. So for this example, I'm using Joseph and Charlotte Yates. You can actually go into and edit the gallery. So if you want to add any new hashtags, anything else you want, so you can just add any hashtag that you want, and people can use this once they access the gallery. So dropping down, you can see that we're using a camera front or rear. So that's where the camera is being pulled. We usually like the front so we can see what we're looking at. You can choose the different countdowns and start delays. Going down, you can choose a different layout. So if you want more photos, you can choose a 1x4 or example, any of the other ones here. You can also go up to the live GIF or the GIF options. You can choose whether it's medium or fast. Just shows how fast the GIF is cycling through the photos. There's also a live GIF, which does it pretty quickly as well. So once you choose that, I usually like the photo strip look. You can choose the different settings, whether you want the background to be black or white. You can choose a different theme. So you can browse through all the themes that we have here. For weddings, I usually like the blue floral wedding or the whimsical wedding. So I like to use these as a wedding template. So they have a bunch of different wedding templates that you can choose from. You can give those a look. As we're scrolling down, you can see that we have the colors. You can choose whether you want to match it up. Right now I'm trying to match it up to the blue flora wedding. So that seems about right. Now we'll go down to the different sending options. You can choose whether it's QR code or text message or email. And then after that, you just launch your event. One thing that we like to do is have a guided access. So if you triple click the home screen button, you'll start the guided access. So with guided access, it prevents other people to go to your home screen, check out photos that are on your library. It just makes the people go to the app or stay within the app that is being used. To access it and start it, you can, as it says here, triple click the home button to start the guided access. It's really helpful, and it helps prevent people from just browsing around and using the iPad whenever they want. So next, you can see that we're getting out of the guided access and we're about to launch the event. So we can press launch, and usually around this time is when I like to do the self-guided access and triple click the home screen button. So as we're testing out the photos, here's one of them. I'm in the office today, so a lot of candid photos of my office space. So you can see here, once all of this is done, you'll see a prompt, and then after that you can send it via text message, whether it's a QR code or email. Here I'm just typing in a phone number, sending it to it, and then I'll be able to have that text message and look at the photos. So that is the SimpleBooth Classic, and it's a great little product and what I use for photo booths. So thank you.